to the market continues to increase as those going under contract have fallen. It's Friday, June 10th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. Many parts of the U.S. real estate market are seeing slowing activity as gas prices rise, and Maryland is expected a gas tax increase to impact further. The shore real estate market shudders over this past week. Here's an overview of market activity. 99 properties are coming soon, and this is further down from the prior week. 185 came to the market since last week's report, another rise in new listings. 93 properties are temporarily off the market, and this is no change from the prior week or the week before. 79 properties went under contract, and this is down from recent weeks. 109 properties went to pending, also a drop in contracts. 167 properties settled in 8 days. This is still 1 day longer than prior weeks. The highest sale this past week was in Centerville for $2,900,000. Those seeking to rent remain challenged. Available rentals fell again to 37 properties at $1,700 median list price. Hey, do you have questions about the changing real estate market? Reach out to me to discuss what's happening in the market and how it may impact your housing situation now and in the future. So that's it for this week's Maryland Shore Report for Friday, June 10th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, be well.